Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German for Beginners with Vardhan. In the previous lesson, we learned what is nominative, what is a nomen, types of articles and the definite articles. In this lesson, we are going to study about indefinite articles. Lektion 20. Unbestimmte Artikel im Nominativ. Once again, Lektion 20. Unbestimmte Artikel im Nominativ. That means lesson 20. Indefinite articles in nominative case. Before starting, I would highly recommend you to watch our previous lesson on definite articles to understand this better. The link is given in the description below. Let's see some sentences to understand the indefinite articles better. Das ist ein Buch. That means this is a book. Das Buch ist neu. That means the book is new. The definite articles, as the name is suggesting, they are talking about a definite person or thing. The book. That is why they are called definite articles. Whereas in indefinite articles, we are not talking about a definite person or thing. Here you have to remember that when the bestimmte article is das, the indefinite article will be ein. Here is the next sentence. Das ist ein Junge. That means this is a boy. Der Junge spielt. That means the boy is playing. When the definite article is there, the unbestimmte article will be ein. Here is the next sentence. Das ist eine Wolke. That means this is a cloud. Die Wolke ist wunderschön. That means the cloud is beautiful. Whenever the bestimmte article will be the unbestimmte article will be eine. Let's look at the unbestimmte article for plural. Das sind Schmetterlinge. That means these are butterflies. Die Schmetterlinge sind schön. That means the butterflies are pretty. So here you can see there is no unbestimmte article for plural because with plural you can't say ein or eine. Let's revise all the unbestimmte article im Nominativ. For masculine in singular, we use ein as the unbestimmte article. For feminine singular, we use eine. And for neutral, we use ein. As we have already learned in this chapter, there is no unbestimmte article for plural. Let's do a small exercise to see how much the concept is clear to you. Übung. Once again, Übung. That means exercise. You have to fill in the blanks with the correct unbestimmte article. Here is the first one. Der Hund. That means the dog. So, what will be the article for der Hund? Das ist ein Hund. Here is the next one. Die Frau. That means the woman. Das ist eine Frau. Let's move on to the next one. Das Auto. That means the car. So, what is the indefinite article here? Yes, das ist ein Auto. So, these were the unbestimmte Articles im Nominative. Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you still haven't. Cheers! Auf Wiedersehen!